I want to remind you that when you're planting your garden, make sure you think of winter interest. You can consider that the elements of interest in winter don't have to be only evergreens. Here, this redbud with the nice twisted branches are really nice, even in the winter time. Some shrubs, your evergreen. My Scotch broom looks really nice in the winter, really nice. Got the hellebores, some perennials that stand. Besides shrubs with different shapes, we can consider shrubs with different branch colors, like this Arctic Fire dogwood. There's also a yellow variation of it. It's called yellow twig dogwood. It's really beautiful. So these different colors are really interesting in the winter as well. I also like to keep some of my perennials, like this autumn joy. I also like to leave some perennials with seeds for the birds, and I also like the way they look. The lavender is still looking good, boxwoods, and little rosemary, and my interesting pine, because I like different shapes in the garden. And that really is my main tip for you if you want to do your own landscaping. Think about the size of your plants and think how they're gonna need sun and how big they're gonna be. This way you place them, take the evergreens and ones that have winter interest like these dogwoods, and then you place them first. This way you build up around them because they are the bones of your garden.